Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. No, you are not watching a repeat of my previous video, but instead you are watching the actual footage when I went shopping at Coach with my mother. She originally wanted the swagger bag. She'd been wanting it for a long time, but when she set her eyes on this bag, she absolutely fell in love with it. So me and my siblings decided to buy this bag for her birthday, and here is her reaction. Take a look at it. Surprise!
Ya me imagino que es. ¿Un chango? No, ya sé qué es.
¿Qué es, oiga?
La bolsa.
¿Cuál bolsa?
La de Coach.
¿No alcanzó
¿No alcanzó para Coach?
No.
¿Comido o qué? Te dije que era la bolsa de Coach. Ay, es la que yo pedía.
Just when I'm recording.
Uy, van a bombardear. It's the air show.
Oh, that's right.
Es el air show. Joder. Con lo que gastaron aquí, yo creo que es lo que voy a pagar allá en el hospital. Tener que regresar. ¿Lo verdad? Yeah. Thank you, thank you.
She loved her bag. She just wasn't showing so much excitement because she wasn't feeling well to begin with. Right after this, she ended up going to the doctor's, but she is doing well and enjoying her brand new, first time ever Coach bag. Stay tuned for my next video where we'll take a closer look at this beautiful bag. Thanks for watching.